Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour. I use Zoom for online meetings with people a lot, and I just love the feature where it will live transcribe, give you closed caption of everything that's being said. Let me show you how. To use live transcription, you need a paid account, and only the host can enable live description. Then you click the three dots and click on Live Transcript. Enable Auto Transcription. And that's all for the host. Now, if you're not a host, you click on the live transcript and you can request that the host enable it. Then each participant will have the ability to either show or hide the subtitles. You can also go into subtitle settings and change the size. It's really quite amazing, and especially that it comes with Zoom for no extra charge as long as you have a paid account.